So in Windows, if you want to navigate around into different files and folders, then you can use the File Explorer. So if you were to click on the File Explorer icon right here, the Explorer opens up. You can alternatively go around into Start menu and click on File Explorer right here, just like this to open it out. Or what you can also do is you can go around into Windows, go to All Apps right here, and from All Apps, what you can do is you can go around and open up the File Explorer over here as well. And the File Explorer opens up just like this. So if you were to maximize this, you can see that you see frequent folders right here and recent files over here, as you can see that you've worked with. So you can go around over here onto different folders of your choice, double click and access it out. So on the left side, what you have is you have different quick access options, as you can see. So if you want to access documents, simply click here and you'll get to the document folder right here. You go on to, let's say, pictures, you go on to picture area, videos, then you go to videos. So over here on the left side, you can also access your OneDrive right here, as you can see. And then over here on the left side now, under this PC, you can access out desktop, you can access out different folders in your computer, and you can access out different drives, as you can see over here as well. And if you want to access network drives, you can go around into network, and if there's any network there, then you can access it out from here. In my case, I don't have anything, so it is showing an error right here. So that is how you can navigate around. And whenever you're navigating around with Explorer right here, if you double click on a folder, there are contents inside of a folder. Go inside the folder, there's more contents right here. And this is the usual structure. And over here on the top, you can see that this is the pathway right here. So now I know that the content is within my PC in L drive, TT drive, and in pictures, under pictures, these are the files that I have right here. If I were to click over here, you can see the path as well, as you can see. So over here on the top, you can go back, you can navigate back or forward, just like this. Or if you want to go to a parent directory, you can click on the top right here, click on the directory and it goes back over here. Or you can click on the up button right here to go back one step at a time up as well. So that is how you can use the File Explorer. You can launch File Explorer and then explore files and folders using the File Explorer inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.